Hello ladies and gentlemen, today we're doing an EZBiolink and Mailchimp integration. And the basic structure is that a customer comes in, enters their email address, and then this email address gets passed on to your Mailchimp. So once again, a customer opts in to enter their email address, and EZBiolink passes it on to Mailchimp, where you can then perform email marketing. Now, let's go back. This is what the page looks like. This is what it looks like in your builder. So you have to log into your account, go to your dashboard, and go to your project. Now, if this is your project, click on links. I'm going to go ahead and erase what I've already created, and we're going to create it from scratch. Click on create a link. Choose mail sign up. Click on add a form. A form is going to get added. And as you can see, it says sign up. Now, there's two things that we need to do. We need to first customize the looks of the button, and then we're going to also integrate Mailchimp. Let's work on the integration part first. Let's go ahead and find mail sign up. Click on that. Click on edit. And here, as you can see, you can customize. So everything from here and all the way down to here is the customization. This is a part where we're going to have to connect Mailchimp to EZBiolink. Now let's go and do that first. First, you need to obtain a Mailchimp API key. Log into your Mailchimp account. This is the modern interface. Go down to account, click on account. In the account, when it opens up, you're going to see extras. Click on extras, click on API keys, and here are the API keys. Now, as you can see, I already have one created, but you can click create a key. We're going to create a new key, and as you can see, a new key has been created. All you have to do is copy this key in its all entirety, click copy, go back, and paste it here. Now, part 1 of 2 is done. Now let's worry about the Mailchimp list. The Mailchimp list is the list that you've created, is the audience. You can have multiple audiences in Mailchimp, and the one that you're currently using is the one we're going to create a contact for. Basically, the contact, the email address is going to get transferred from EZBiolink to a desired email list. You can have multiple. Now, what you have to do is that go to your audience. In the audience, click on Manage Audience, and then click on Settings. In Settings, scroll all the way down, and as you can see, this is your audience unique ID. Go ahead and copy that. Go back to your EZBiolink customization page and paste it there. Click Update. Voila. Now we'll have the form working. Let's go ahead and test it out. Let's open this in a separate window. Let's close the old one. And let's enter our email address. We're going to enter test@ezbiolink.com, and we're going to click sign up. The customer is going to see this, and that pop-up is going to disappear. Now, what we're going to do then, we're going to go back to our Mailchimp. We're going to go to our audiences, and we're going to click on new contacts so we can see our contacts. And as you can see, test@ezbiolink.com is already here. So now, if you are worried about just adding the integration, at this point in the video, you're done. You can then go back and customize it. However, if you need help customizing it, I'll be more than happy to do that. Now, the way I like to do it is, first, I'd like to put in the name. Email, newsletter. And everything you put in here is going to update here as soon as you press update. We're going to click update. Now we see an email newsletter. The next thing we're going to do, we can choose an icon. I'm not going to do it for now. We're going to keep the color of the text black, and I'd like to make the color of the background yellow. So I'm going to choose yellow. Click here. Actually, in order to see the update on the right, we're going to go ahead and refresh the page. I think now we're going to start seeing live updates on the right side. Now, we can create an outline, or we don't have to. I'd like to have mine straight, so we can have straight corners. You can create an animation. You can make it bounce, so you can attract your customer's attention. But for now, we're going to choose to not do that. I'm going to go ahead and disable bounce. Now, email placeholder. What is this? This is what your customers will see when they click on this. See, it says test@ezbiolink. I'm sorry. See, it says email@domain.com. If I were you, I would probably keep it the same. And you can create a different one if you'd like to. But for now, we're going to keep it the same. Button text. Sign up. Sign up is what this is, and we've already changed it. Then we'll go down here. It's going to be the thank you message. The thank you message, I think we can keep it the same. You can put whatever you'd like. You can also show an agreement. An agreement normally goes something like, by agreeing to this, you agree to receive weekly or daily newsletters. So you can type everything up here. Anything you type here, and then after you click update, is going to show up here after the customer types in their email address. So once you do, click sign up. We're going to have to refresh this. Wonderful. Do this. And as you can see, here's the agreement. Now, you can just put, you see my agreement here, and when the customer clicks on it, where is the customer going to be taken? The customer is going to be taken to your website where they can read the terms of the agreement. And you can indicate that URL address over here. At this point, we are done. You can also add a webhook URL. This is where to send the caught email to. So if you're not sending it to Mailchimp directly, you can add a webhook URL where the email can be directed to your desired program. You can use Zapier or other kinds of integrations if you'd like to, if you use a different provider, or you can use a different email provider as well. I think at this point we're done. The form is operational. We're going to go back here and we're going to go and refresh this page, and we're going to ensure that this email address has been transferred over. It's been added via API on October 16th at this hour. This concludes our presentation. If you have any questions, make sure to visit our website or visit help.ezbiolink.com, and we'll be more than happy to help you. You can also email us at info@ezbiolink.com, where our team is going to be more than happy to answer your questions. Thank you very much.